Hi kids. Big machines help us build roads, houses, schools and hospitals. Each one has special job. Let's meet them. Backhoe loader. It has a shovel in the front and a digging arms in the back. Grader. Grader. It levels the ground and makes roads even before paving. Excavator. Excavator. It digs deep holes, lifts heavy things. Crane truck. A truck with a crane that lifts heavy things like a steel beam. Paver. Paver. Spreads hot asphalts to make smooth new roads. Trencher. It cuts long, narrow trencher in the ground for pipe or cables. Tower crane. Tower crane. It is tall crane used in cities to lift heavy things. Pile driver. Pile driver. Pushes long poles deep into the ground to make buildings strong. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. Scoop up dirt and sand or rocks. Scraper. Scraper. Scraps and moves big amount of soil to level the ground. Articulated drum truck. Articulated drum truck. A big truck which carries heavy loads on a rough road. Telehandler. Telehandler. A machine with long arms that can lift things high up. Asphalt milling machine. Asphalt milling machine. Removes old broken roads surface so new asphalt can be laid. Utility truck. Utility truck. It carries tools, fuels and repair parts to help other machine at the site. Concrete pipe truck. Pumps liquid concrete through a long arm to reach high place or deep holes.